Query languages. SQL. Explained in simple words. What does query language mean? A query language is a type of language used to retrieve, manipulate, and manage data in databases. Instead of writing full programs, query languages allow you to ask questions about your data and get answers quickly. In simple words, query language equals language to ask and manage data in databases. It means, with query languages, you can retrieve specific data from databases, insert, update, and delete data, sort and filter information, perform calculations on data, create and manage database structures. So, query language equals manage plus analyze data efficiently. What is SQL? SQL, structured query language, is the most popular query language used to interact with relational databases. It allows you to create databases and tables, insert, update, or delete records, retrieve data using queries, perform calculations and aggregations. SQL is used in almost all database systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and SQL Server. Example idea. Suppose you have a database of students. You want to get all students with marks greater than 80. SQL query. Select name, marks, from students, where marks greater than 80. Result. Check mark shows only the students who scored more than 80. This is much faster than manually searching through data. Key SQL commands. Select, retrieve data from tables. Insert, add new records. Update, modify existing data. Delete, remove records. Create, alter, drop, manage database structure. Real-life uses of SQL. SQL is widely used in banking systems, manage transactions, e-commerce, track orders and inventory, social media, retrieve user posts and profiles, data analytics, generate reports and insights, enterprise software, manage business data. Why SQL matters. SQL allows developers and analysts to checkmark quickly access relevant data, checkmark perform complex calculations, checkmark organize and manage large datasets, checkmark make data-driven decisions. Databases power almost all modern applications, making SQL a critical skill. Advantages of SQL. Checkmark easy to learn. Checkmark standardized and widely used. Checkmark works with almost all relational databases. Checkmark efficient data retrieval and manipulation. Checkmark supports complex queries and aggregations. Disadvantages. Crossmark only works with structured data. Tables. Crossmark cannot handle unstructured data easily. Requires no SQL for that. Crossmark needs knowledge of database design for optimal queries. Common beginner misconceptions. Beginners often think SQL is the same as a programming language. SQL is only used by developers. SQL cannot handle complex queries. But actually, SQL is a specialized language for databases and is used by developers, analysts, and data scientists alike. Real-life analogy. SQL is like asking a librarian for specific books. You provide conditions. Books published after 2020 by author X. Librarian. Database. Finds exactly what you want. You get results quickly. You don't have to search through all the books manually. Important point. SQL is declarative, meaning you tell the system what you want, not how to get it. This makes query languages powerful and easy to use for managing data. Simple definition. SQL equals a query language used to manage, retrieve, and manipulate data in relational databases. Final summary. Query languages like SQL allow you to checkmark retrieve specific data quickly, checkmark insert, update, and delete records, checkmark perform calculations and generate reports, checkmark manage database structures, Checkmark power modern applications and analytics. Without SQL, crossmark data management would be slow and manual. With SQL, checkmark efficient data handling. Checkmark fast decision making. Checkmark powerful database management. SQL is a must-learn skill for anyone working with data or databases.